Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to look up and return multiple matches into a single cell using a formula. In the example, the lookup value is pen, and I want to extract all customers who purchased it into a single cell. We use the filter function to extract only the values that meet a specific condition. The first argument is the range from which we want to extract data. It is the customer names column. Now, add the condition, filtering only rows where the product column equals pen. By default, filter returns multiple values in separate cells. To list all names in a single cell, we use the TEXTJOIN function. The first argument is the delimiter. Type a comma to separate names. The second argument is true, so Excel ignores empty cells. The third argument is our filter function, dynamically pulling all matching names. Instead of displaying multiple matches across multiple rows, this formula consolidates them into one cell. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more tips and stay tuned.